your wealth awareness, right? So I want to talk to you pretty much saying about wealth. So if you want to be wealthy, right, you have to have a clear vision of exactly what you want to do in life. You have to know exactly how you're going to get there. You have to know the vehicle, how you're going to do it, right? So having a wealthy mindset is already believing that you're able to accomplish it, believing in yourself, knowing that you're able to accomplish something and going after it. Setting a clear intention. You have to set an intention of exactly what you want to do and go after it in your life. So having a wealthy mindset, with that being said, you have to already believe that it's possible. You have to envision it. You have to know that it's possible, then you have to go for it. And that's something we call psychic income. Psychic income is a term that we use whenever we already envision something before it happens. It's like manifestation, right? So when you have psychic income, you already believe that you have it, rather than going after the money just for the money. So the people that earn the most, they don't do it just for the money. They do it because there's value in doing it. They do it because they enjoy it and love it. So this can't always be about money. You know, it's not always about the money. It's about the value that you give to the marketplace. And that's the way you have to look at business. It's not about the money. It's about the value that you give to others. When you give value to the marketplace, when you give value to the world, the money comes, the money follows. So it's not about the money, because the money will come as you give more value. So as you raise your value, the money comes, you know. So your value is what's going to create the money for you. It's not the other way around. The money doesn't come and then you create value. You create value first, and then the money comes. See, people are always stuck in this way of chasing the money. And chasing the money isn't going to get you more money. It's going to keep you in a repetitive cycle of going after the money and working for something, chasing a dream. And so is what you want to do is you want to change your mentality, change your mindset, and be like, okay, I got to build myself. I got to build myself and grow within myself, so that way I could earn what I'm capable of earning, because I will be that value that the marketplace needs to have. So that's really the only way that you're gonna be able to make money online, is by already knowing exactly what you want and going after it. But you always got to see it in your mind first. That's your psychic income.